Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to Online University Ramzas. I am your instructor Saif Amarvi. This course is presented by Ramzas. This is our online Urdu language course in English. And today it is our 11th lecture. We are discussing about the English grammar and as well as Urdu grammar, and we are going to see that how English grammar relates with Urdu grammar, and we have discussed the present tense before, and today we will discuss about the past tense. So stay with us. Our today's lecture is about the past tense, the past moments. The helping verbs used here as follow. As in English, was, were for more than one, and had for the past perfect tenses. In Urdu we can say was as tha, te, he alif, tha, t, h, a, tha, was tha. Were for more than one entirety we can say it in Urdu as the, thy, generally thy, the. Had for the male and female, both we can use had in English, but in Urdu we use for male चुका था लिया था for male, and for the girls, for female, चुकी थी ली थी. This U is representing the pace tone on che. Female and male, you have seen the difference before in the present tense and as well as in the past tense. Now, if we translate above thoroughly in Urdu and see them, how the helping verbs are used daily, then let's see. Was mean रहा था, रही थी. For the past continuous was रहा था, रही थी. Were is equal to रहे थे for the plurals, रहे थे. I hope you can understand. Later we will discuss some examples. Let's see how we can make sentences. Subject plus helping verb plus object. Maf'ool jama imdadi fail jama file. Subjects are equal to we can say in Urdu file. He, she for wo, I, we, you, they, this, that. वो, मैं, हम, तुम, वो, ये. We have discussed before in the present tense these thoroughly, so you can see over there in the 10th lecture. Here the object maf'ool, the boy, girl, mad, pagal, school, ladka, ladki, pagal, school. To make sentences negative, we use the not, nahi. In Urdu and Hindi these are the same things. Let me discuss some examples. Past continuous. He was going to school. वो स्कूल जा रहा था. He was going to school. वो स्कूल जा रहा था. Was is equal to जा रहा था. Going जा रहा. Was था. We were not going to school. हम स्कूल नहीं जा रहे थे. Were you writing? क्या तुम लिख रहे थे? Here by the difference in is, am, are or was, were, we have changed over here only this word. Otherwise it is the same sentence as in the present continuous. Now we will discuss the indefinite tenses. He went to school. वो स्कूल जाता था. Only the difference of था due to use of this second form. This second form. वो नहीं लिखती थी. वो नहीं लिखती थी. Let's see the past perfect tenses. I had done. मैं कर चुका था. मैंने कर लिया था. कर लिया था. मैं कर चुका था. I had done. She had taken tea. उसने चाय पी ली थी. उसने चाय पी ली थी. Had only the difference of है to थी. थी और है. Journal tenses. He was a boy. वो एक लड़का था. Was he a boy? For the questioning sentence, क्या वो एक लड़का था? I was not a girl. मैं एक लड़की नहीं थी. Were you mad? क्या तुम पागल थे? क्या तुम पागल थे? Were you mad? क्या तुम पागल थे? I hope you have gotten my point that what is the difference between past and present tense. There is no difference without except only the helping verbs. There is a change only of the helping verbs. There is no other change in the sentences. So you can see that how the Urdu grammar relates with English grammar and how it is very easier and very easier. If you are interested, you can learn it swiftly by making some practice. I will advise you that make some practice by getting some book of English grammar and try to translate in Urdu and improve your Urdu vocabulary. And I have told in my lectures that there are different ways to translate. So as to write Urdu, I hope you can make your sentences in Urdu and write Urdu easily if you have learned. At last, I want to ask you that please download some English grammar book of Pakistan and study it. There will be Urdu with that as well. In English, study your English grammar and try to translate it in Urdu. Today your homework is study the whole past tense in English and see their journal use and make some idea to convert it in Urdu as I have given some examples above. I hope you will do. For the further lectures, stay with us and visit our sites. If you have any question, suggestion, request or complaint, you can contact us via our site or comment down here. Please keep watching the Madani channel and visit www.islami.net. I hope it will be the better way for you to improve your Urdu spoken. If you like our lectures, please give us a thumb. We are waiting for your appreciation. For more videos, you can subscribe us. See you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching now.